What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan Bash Square Photography. We bring you back another video today. Now, today, I have with me Miss
Emmeline.
She is back, guys, and she's going to help us out with this video. Now, man, this video is going to be it's going to be all about the freaking Godox AD100 Pro, as you can see right here, guys. I already got it to a bracket. That's the way you got to use this thing, for a bracket. Now, like I said, we're just going to put it through its paces, man. I'm going to use it with one light setup, and then later I will add a second light, which is going to be the Godox AD300, you can see right here. But I'm just going to just go ahead and put your paces through it and show you what's going on with this first, and just show you how you can really get this done in a studio setting with just one light and just really knock it out and get some good photos. You want to say anything else for the peeps?
I have nothing to say.
She has what?
I never have anything to say.
Oh man, what is wrong with her, man?
It's my birthday though.
Okay, it is her birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish her a happy freaking birthday, guys. Go ahead and put it down there in the comments, guys. And of course, we want to work with all stuff on this Christmas possible. Of course, what I popped on the screen. Bye. Now. Ready to get to work?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, guys, let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. Guys, I got this deep parabolic we got here. As you can see, bam, look at that. Got on the Godox, I got a grid on it because I want to control the spill, because what I want to do is, actually, I want to, kind of make this more moody because of the outfit you got on. So I want to kind of make this really moody. And this is what I'm going to try to achieve here. I'm actually going to bring you closer to the background. I'm going to try to control the spill, guys, but I still want to get some stuff on the background here. We're going to probably use this chair. Not right now, though. We're going to do something without it. And then we're going to do something with it. Get in the middle for me, Em. Right there, yeah. All right, guys, so I'm shooting with the 50mm lens as usual. Even though I'm controlling the spill with the grid, I still want to kind of have her a little bit closer because I don't want to compete, I want to have a little bit of light on my background because I'm just doing this with one light here. So here we go with test shot. Look at that. Yeah, I'm going to cut this up all the way, guys. All right, yeah, that kind of works out with the spill, guys. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit more. Again, I do got the grid on, so that's the reason why it's kind of looking that way, but I'm going to bring it down just a little bit more so I can light on her background a little bit, bring it a tad bit closer. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give her a count, guys, because the recycle time is so bad. Yeah. Yep. Nice. And nice, and nice. All right, guys, this is me going through a dramatic mode. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my ISO to about 200. Yep, there we go, guys. That looks good. So it's gonna help with the recycling time. You're gonna see the recycling time is a little bit better now because I turned down my power, and that's because I just went up on my ISO. I wanna stay at the aperture at 4.5. So this is what we're gonna just really knock this out as. Nice. All right, I'm gonna show him these. These are super moody, super dark. And again, that's with the grid on, guys. I just wanna show you what it can kind of do with the grid.
Very moody. I like it.
So now what I'm gonna do actually now is I'm gonna take off the grid so I can kind of show you, how much more spill we can get with this light. So I'm taking off the grid, as you can see. You can come just a step forward there. There you go, right there. Yeah. Now I'm going to feather this light just a tad bit off of her, just like so. Yeah, guys, here we go. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit more spillage on there. These are looking really nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, these are nice. I'm gonna feather just a little bit more, guys, so I can get more off this background and kind of more evenly light. So I'm gonna feather about right here and let Em do her thing. Em is a beast out here, guys. There we go. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna show Em these. I feather the light just a tad bit more, guys, to kind of get it even. Now you're going to see the difference in the lighting quality when I feather the light just a little bit more. These are the ones that when I had the light a little bit too much, it was making one side of the background way too bright. So when I feather it a little bit more, it got more evenly. As you can see, it took off that space there and it kind of made everything a little bit more evenly spread. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have it set on the chair now. Again, we're gonna use the light. Scoot back, please.
Scoot back?
Yes. No, this way.
Oh, this back.
This way.
More?
Right there.
Okay.
Right there. Now come in the center for me. Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Again, this is just one light. And look at this. Perfect. I'm gonna feather just a tad bit more, just so it won't get us, so it won't be so bright on her back. So I'm feather the light just a little bit more, and then we're gonna knock this out now. Yeah, I like that pose actually. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah, these are solid. Yep, I like that. Hold up. Let me get my. There we go. Yeah, I like that.
Wait.
Yeah, I like that.
Make those.
Nice. Hold up. Don't hurt them now. Hold up. Don't hurt them, guys. You're hurting them now. Don't hurt them. You're hurting them, guys. They'll not do all that now. Yeah, good job. Good job, good job. Let me look at these. Oh yeah, these are solid.
Solid? Solid?
Yeah, these are solid.
I want to see.
You gonna look at these?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, get in the chair again. I want you to rotate the chair and come facing towards me. Yeah. Rotate the chair as well.
Okay.
Yeah, because I want to have you on your legs like that. Yeah. I think this may work better just because it's a little bit higher. And she's a little bit taller, guys.
Tall girl.
Yeah.
5'7" queen. Wait, which leg? You want this leg?
Whichever leg you want. Yeah. Come kind of closer so you can, yeah, just right there. Perfect.
Okay.
And kind of, no. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Do the other one first. That's a little bit. That's fine.
Wait. What?
Do what you was doing at first.
What's I doing first?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Because therefore you can kind of like lean on that thing right there.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Here we go. Yep. Nice. Yep, guys. I like it with your hand. Yeah. Nice. Love that. Yeah, I like that. Let me see these. Yeah, I like these. Yeah, I like that.
Ooh, you sexy.
That's perfect, actually. That's perfect. Let me do my video real quick. All right, guys, I'm in the studio, guys, and I'm shooting with the Godox AD100 Pro, guys, and I got this nice 35-inch on it grid, and I'm shooting with Emily. She's helping us out with this, guys. Shooting with the 50mm f1.2 and the Nikon Z8, and we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. The one light setup. Here we go. Well, hang on, my one light setup's not working here. Oh, no wonder why I ran out of battery. All right, guys, here we go. Knocking it out. Nice. Good job. Yeah, I like that, Em. Yeah, I love that. All right. I love it with the hands just like that. Yeah. And put both your hips right there. Yeah. Nice. And Let's see what we got, guys. See what we got. Look at these right here. Check those out. One light setup with the Godox AD100 Pro. That's what you get out of there. Look at those. Fire, guys, fire.
I have a crush on myself right now.